first you open Android Studio and we are going to create a new project. Just take the empty activity and then next, and just put the project name that you want. So finish. So as you can see, whenever you choose an empty activity or any activity, the Android Studio will provide you with the activity file and then the layout. Okay, so what I would suggest to do first is you go to the layout page and then you split the code. So you split the screen so you can see the codes and also the design. So I'm going to delete the text view and I'm just going to declare the linear layout. Okay, so now I will put the ListView inside the linear layout with width of match parent and then the height also. Just going to use match parent. And then for the layout, we're going to do a separate layout for the list of the items. For example, I'm going to put I'm going to name this layout as S3, sorry, not S3, menu item layout. Since this layout page is not generated guys yet, so you can just simply hover your cursor and you will see this and just click. So click this and then you will create this page. So this is the menu item layout. So now you have two layouts. Page, just going to do the same thing, split page. So in this page, I will create, before I create this page, I am going to import several images. Okay, these are the images that I want to display. So I'm just going to copy this, and then in the drawable file, I'm just going to paste it. Just click OK. So I have all the pictures in the drawable, and I also wanted to get this rectangle shape. So it's actually a shape that I want to view as a background. This is optional. You can skip it if you don't want the colored background. So in my new project, I'm just going to click new and then drawable resource file. I'm just going to name this file as rectangle. So I'm just going to paste the shape. So as you can see, the corners used if you wanted to create a radius, a corner radius here, and then solid is for the color of the shape. For example, if I change it to white, so it will be like this. Okay, so I have my background shapes, and I also have the images that I want to put. So I will go back to the menu item, and I will make the I will display the item. So we only have to declare what we want to display one time, and then we're going to populate from the data we have. That will show you later. So we already create a linear layout, and then in this linear layout, I will put on. Okay, sorry. Before that, I will divide this layout into two columns. I want to display the left side with image and then the right side with the vertical. So I will declare the width sum. I will put it as 1. So for my image, I declare the width and then also the height, and then I'm going to put the source. For example, I want to display laminate pair. We put the width 0.3. Okay. And then go to the center. Sorry, this is not here. I'm just going to put the gallery center here. So image view. Then I am going to put ID for this as image product. So this is the image. And then I'm going to put the description in the menu layout. We just have to put it match parent, and then you have to set the orientation vertical because I wanted to display the details, the name of the product, and then the price. So yeah. And also put the weight of the layout. Since I declared the weight sum to 1, so in the first column I have it 0.3. So for the second column I have to put 0.7 so that the sum is equal to 1. Okay, so we are going to put the text inside here. Text view. We are also going to put ID for this, which is name product, and then just put in text to this. For example, this one is laminate. Okay, now I just put the gravity to center so that everything will be in the center. So this is for the product name, and then I'm just going to put the text size, and then the style, text style bold. Okay, so since I wanted to put this font color with white, so I'm just going to change my background with the purple color, the rectangle purple color. So this is how it's going to look like. Okay, whenever you go to the activity main, since we call the items in this list view, so basically it will look like this. Okay, since we have the product name and then I want to put the product price, I'm just going to copy this and put it below. So change this to price product first, and then the text size will be default. I don't want it to be big, and then I'm just going to delete the bold style, and then I am going to change this to $15. So this is basically what it will look like, but I will add some padding and margin to it. Okay, so now I want this to have padding and then margin. Okay, now I will add margin and padding to the list. So in the linear layout that I have declared, I will put the padding first. Padding, so I will put it to 10, as well as the bottom to 10. So when I add these two, padding top and padding bottom, you can see the difference. And then I will put margin start with 10 dp and also margin bottom to 10 dp. So margin here. So this is how it looks like temporary. So whenever I go here, before that, I will also add ID for this list view. I will add this ID as list item, and then I will put divider to this I want to put a white divider, and then I'm just going to declare the divider height to 10 dB. Okay, so now I'm going to declare the padding top. Okay, save this. Okay, now everything will follow the same design. So this is how the layout will look like. So now I'll go to for the activity. So now we have the main activity. So whenever we launch the apps, we'll call for this main activity and it will display this layout, which is the activity main layout, this layout. So go back to the main activity. So what I wanted to do before I change, I will create two new file. So I will create new package with model, and then in this model I will create a new Kotlin class file, which means products. Okay, so in this product, since you have three things to display in the product, I'm going to declare these three products here. We have image, and then we have the names of the product, and then we also have the price of the product. Okay, so we have these three. I am going to put this parcelable. So now we have parcelable, and then you go to this red line, and then you just add parcelable implementation. So now you have this. So actually whenever you pass this data, this item or this object, it will read and write the data. So we're done with the model. And then we are going to create adapter. It's as a view because we are sending a data and then we want to display in the view. So that's the function of the adapter. And then I am going to create a file called product adapter. So I'm just going to create Kotlin class file, name product adapter. So in this product adapter, first thing first, we are going to pass the context activity. Private context the activity, and then we are going to pass the product is from the name later on. So this product list will be stored as a release of the object, just the product item, just the product. And then we are going to extend this class with array adapter of the product, and then context r.layout. So we will declare the layout of the page tree. Just import the on first. So layout of the page tree. I'm sorry. Menu list item, menu item layout, and then the product list. So and then we are going to call the function getView. So this function is already in the studio. You just have to get the function. Okay. In this function, first thing first, we have to inflate the menu item layout so that we can actually access all the item in the layout. So just call layout.inflate. So layout inflater dot from context inflate the layout we wanted to inflate, which is the r dot layout dot menu display layout. Write down that, and then next we are going to declare the product that we pass from the main activity, which is product list. We want to access this in the position because this is in the array. So this is the details. This is the details to be displayed. Okay, first is the image. So we have to declare the image, and then we're going to get the image view. So to access all the items, we have to find it by ID. That's why we have to declare the ID at the first place. So here the find by ID r.id.image product. So animate image product value. So name text view. So find the name. So r.id.name product. Okay, got this. And then last but not least, the price. Let's see to the view price product. Okay, so these are the three items that we have to display. 1, 2, 3, the image, the name, and then the price. So go back to the product adapter. Since I just store the file name of the image in the string, so I need to change the string to global first. So value image source equal to integer equal to context dot resources dot get identifier, then just put the image. Application. Okay. So the drawable will. So here the drawable that we wanted to create context. Import the drawable and then resources dot get drawable, and then just send the image. Typo image source. So this basically will return the drawable image. So last but not least, put the data in the view. So we have image dot set image drawable. So we're going to put the rest, and then the name dot text, the product dot name, and then price dot text will be product dot price. So basically we have display everything here, and then just change this to return view. So this is the adapter, just to make the data can be displayed in the view. So we're going to go to the main activity. So in the main activity, we will pass the data. First thing first, I am going to declare the layout binding. I'm going to bind the layout. Let's binding equal to. Okay, now I cannot find the binding page just because we have to actually declare view binding here. So before you can bind the layout, you have to declare it as view binding and enable true. Okay, so save. Now we have enabled binding in the Gradle we can get the activity main binding, because the page of the home layout is activity main, so you just have to declare the activity main and then the binding at the back. That's how the format is. So in the main activity in the main activity, I will declare the product list first. Product list is equal to array list of products. Since I already I'm just going to copy paste the product since I already declared here. So this is the product list. I'm going to copy this and just put it here. Okay, so I just declare the image path and then the name of the product and also the price. So after we declare the product, what we have to do is to inflate the layout that we bind. So the activity main binding dot inflate layout inflator. Okay. So to access the adapter, and then we have to pass the product list to adapter, we have to declare adapter. First we declare the adapter and then we have to inflate we have to find the list value so that we can pass this to the adapter. Okay, so product list value dot adapter equal to adapter. Okay, so the set content view will be changed to binding dot row. Oh, I have made a mistake. This is supposed to put the ID. We're supposed to put the ID, not the layout. So this is the final view of the layout.